Hey, so I'm gonna sing this song that I wrote called It's Your Turn. I just got the verse and the hook. I found this beat on YouTube called Floetry type beat and I really liked it. So I wrote a little something to it. So tell me how you like it. Whoa, whoa. I get so weak when you touch my body, baby. But now it's your turn to have that special night. 'Cause you deserve it, I'll make you feel right. See, the special part about this whole thing is my love for you grows greater and bigger than anything. So this night is my token of love to you from me. Lay your body down and hush. Let me show you how a real woman makes you feel. Take you on a journey of passion. Tonight is your night, so baby, let's get it right. Let me love you. Let me kiss you. Let me massage you. Let me taste you. Let me give you everything you need. So remember this token of love to you from me.